I was sent this end table, side table, and I wanted to start by holding it standing up because I just want to show you it's pretty lightweight, which is great because you can move it from room to room. And one of the best part, it comes pre-assembled. So I didn't have to sit there and put it together or have my husband put it together. That's more realistic. But let me show you all the details up close. It's made of really nice, high quality wood. Kind of has a nice shine to it as well. There's the whole view. I love the sides. Gives it a little bit of that farmhouse decor vibe. Nice open space here. And here you can pull this out. Great drawer for storing things. Look at all the details in there. And then you have this one as well, which is a little bit bigger. So if you need to store like plates or something like that, maybe glassware, this is something that could go in almost any room you need it. And it doesn't take up a ton of space, but it's gonna give you that perfect amount of storage. And then of course that top area that you can use as well. So I think you're gonna really like this.